So hi guys, I'm back with another video, and so I will be updating crypto videos, and we'll be talking about different narratives, gaming coins, ICM coins, AI agents, AI coins, coins on Solana, Sui, Base. So we'll be discussing in the future. So this video is particularly about how can we make a low risk portfolio if we are a beginner. Okay, or if we, let's say, even if we are not a beginner but we are coming and going in the crypto markets, and we see that we need to get into this, we need to get exposure of crypto markets also. So what could be a safe portfolio for next 3 to 4 months or 6 months? So one thing I need to talk about first before talking about this, so that is Bitcoin dominance. So why is it important? It's important because Bitcoin dominance tells us that how the crypto markets work and how the altcoins perform as compared to Bitcoin. So what we can see here, I'll just make it to all, and I'll just zoom it so you can see. Okay, so these sudden drops in Bitcoin dominance from 1st March 2017 to 1st January 2018, right? So we can say 6 to 9 months. So these drops are generally all seasons. So all seasons are generally 6 to 9 months, and other than that we have a one year bear market, and then rest 3 years is Bitcoin. Bitcoin's bull market is there. So overall you can say the whole crypto market increases in USD value for 3 years. But what happens in this 2.5 years is that Bitcoin dominance increases. What does this mean? What does this mean, right? So this means that if you are holding Bitcoin, then you will be having much lesser risk, but you will be having a great upside potential for when we come from Bitcoin, when we come from bear market to the bull market. And when in the post-halving year, which is the last end of the cycle, right? Last part of the cycle, that is a alt season. So what happens in the alt season is Ethereum along with other altcoins outperform Bitcoin. So that is when we can keep Ethereum and other coins. So what is the current situation, right? So we saw the second alt season from 1st Jan 2021 to quarter 4 2021. So what we need to do is we need to see that what happened after that. From 1st September 2022 to this point, for 3 years or more than 3 years, right? Bitcoin dominance is increasing. So when Bitcoin dominance increases, it's better to be with Bitcoin heavy. But now, as we see that we might be going for a alt season, so I think even for a safer portfolio, we can go with Ethereum and then top blue chips. So this was the objective of explaining you Bitcoin dominance. And now let's go back to our low risk portfolio again. So because of this, I think we can keep Ethereum in place of Bitcoin. So in an ideal low risk portfolio, we can have Ethereum of 50% allocation. We know it's the most decentralized layer 1, it is the oldest layer 1, and it is the most trusted. Plus companies like BlackRock or all the institutional investors are buying it heavily, showing its trust. It has varied validators. It is the oldest layer 1 as well. It is the most decentralized and most trustworthy among the layer 1s. So that is why we need to keep it 50%. What is the price potential? Let's talk about that. I think it can, if we buy at the right prices, it can give you from 2 to 4x or 2 to 5x even. At optimistic, 5x would be optimistic, and 3 to 4x should be conservative. Now let's talk about the next coin, which I thought will be good. The next coin is Chainlink. Okay, so why Chainlink? We are looking at real world assets, or we are looking at institutional adoption and how we can use blockchain in the real world. right? Or so the what does Chainlink do? Chainlink is an oracle coin which helps blockchain communicate with the world, right? Communicate with the world. So Chainlink offers interoperability, and that is why it is the most one of the oldest coins. It was right. It was along with at the time of Ripple and that time Dogecoin, Ripple, Dash. So it's a very old coin, and it is very trustworthy. The price action is also nice. So I think if we are able to get it around $10 to $11, then it can easily give you a 5 to 7x, because $50 was its old all-time high. So okay, we have two coins now. So 50% allocation in Ethereum, 10% in Chainlink, then 10% is in Sui. Why Sui? Sui is a layer 1 which is very fast, which is scalable, and which is new. So we can think of it as Solana of this cycle. Like Solana performed in the last cycle or even this cycle initially. So Sui I think is the second best layer 1 after Solana, right? In modern day layer 1s, because Ethereum we know it's a legacy based, right? So in modern day layer 1s, Sui is the best, I think. So okay, this is the coin. What is the price potential? I think it can go to $20 also. So, but we have to be conservative. So again, 3 to 5x potential could be there, or targets could be there, and the downside risk is less because it is again at a 12th level of market cap, already 12 billion. So it has made a place for itself. Now two more coins we need to discuss, right? So three more coins, right? So one coin is Dogecoin. Now we know Dogecoin, some people might say, okay, no, it's risky. Of course, everything is risky, but as compared to the market, it is in top 10. Even being a meme coin, it has made a place for itself. It has performed really well. It has a big community. People like Elon Musk are pushing, right? Some memes or every things related to Doge. So it has made a place for itself, and retail loves Dogecoin. So I think it is a safe coin, right? Of course, if you compare it to Ethereum or Bitcoin, it is not. But overall, it is one of the safest coins. And at the same time, because retail loves it, so the potential is also 3 to 5x again. So we have got Ethereum now, we have got Dogecoin, we have got Sui, we have got Chainlink. So now we are left with two more coins, which we can which I'll let you know. Okay. So now another coin is ONDO. So let me see where is ONDO. Okay. So this is ONDO. So why ONDO? So the price of ONDO is 90 cents, right? It was, I think the best buy is around 60 to 80 cents. If you're able to get that, I think this has a huge potential. It can give you 10x also, because again it is backed by Pantera Capital, and again BlackRock is involved with it in real world asset utilizations. It is listed on all major exchanges, Binance, right? Bybit, Upbit, Coinbase, Mexi, most exchanges it is listed on, all tier 1. Now last coin I want to discuss is Virtual Protocol. Virtual Protocol is a AI agent based project, and it is the project where you can launch AI agents. So the price is 1.85. I don't think right now is the correct time to buy it, but if you are able to get it less than $1.5, I think it is a good buy. And it also has a potential of 10x. So, but because this is the top market cap coin among the AI agent narrative, so I think it is safe. So I will just explain. Okay, I just explained you that what are the coins. So here I have made a list. So Ethereum 50%, the potential is 2 to 5x. Chainlink 10%, potential 3 to 7x. ONDO 10%, potential 3 to 7x. Dogecoin 3 to 7x. Sui 3 to 10x, virtuals 3 to 10x. So if we keep 50% in Ethereum and then rest 10% in all these coins, I think this is one of the best or safest portfolio. You can maybe, you can have slightly different choices. Maybe somebody can keep Solana, somebody can keep Avalanche in place of Sui, right? Or ONDO. So it is your choice. But what my point of view is, I'm trying to, guide a person who is completely new and a way where there is minimum chances for them to lose money, right? At the same time, having the exposure at the positives of the market, or bullishness of the market. So that is it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe.